Imagine a world where trading stocks is no longer a game of chance but a calculated, precise operation driven by artificial intelligence. The realm of stock trading, once dominated by intuition and educated guesses, is undergoing a seismic shift. This is not due to some far-off technological advancement, but a reality that is already here. Welcome to the world of Alpha AI, a trailblazing tool that's redefining stock trading as we know it. Operating in real time during market hours, this predictive algorithm generates signals that can anticipate when a stock's momentum will increase in the near future. The era of relying solely on human judgment is fading, making way for a new dawn where AI is the ace player. Alpha AI is constantly learning, constantly adapting, and constantly improving. It's a tool that's not just keeping up with the market conditions, but one that's evolving with them. It's a tool that's not just predicting the future, but one that's shaping it. This is not science fiction. Welcome to the world of Alpha AI. Scene script: Alpha AI, a name that stands for innovation, precision, and power in stock trading. Enter the world of Alpha AI, a predictive algorithm that is changing the face of stock trading. It's your silent partner, your invisible analyst, constantly scanning the market, learning, adapting, and making precise predictions. So how does Alpha AI work? Let's break it down. The algorithm generates signals during market hours, a kind of call to action for stocks. These signals predict when the momentum in a stock will surge in the near future, typically within 1 to 5 days. The frequency of these signals varies depending on market conditions. Think of it as a kind of weather forecast for stocks. Now here's where it gets interesting. Alpha AI does not tell you when a signal is no longer in effect, or provide specific targets for the signals. It's a tool for idea generation, not a registered investment advisor. It's your starting point, your launch pad. Where you go from there is up to you. The reference price, or ref as it's known, refers to the price of the stock when the signal was generated. If a stock moves 2% in the opposite direction of the signal, it's considered a failed signal. For an ETF, it's a 1% move. But what happens if a symbol is signaled both long and short? In that case, the latest signal cancels out any prior signal. You can see the time a signal was alerted by hovering your mouse cursor over the date of the alert. Alpha AI is currently in beta, which means it's constantly learning and adapting to market conditions. It's like a novice chess player, learning from every move, becoming wiser, sharper, and more precise with every game. With Alpha AI, you're not just playing the market, you're predicting it. But what sets Alpha AI apart from other trading tools, you may ask? Well, let's delve into the unique advantages that make Alpha AI a game changer in the trading world. Firstly, Alpha AI is not just a static tool, it's a predictive algorithm that's constantly learning and adapting to market conditions. This adaptability is a significant edge in the ever-changing world of stock trading. It ensures that Alpha AI stays relevant and accurate, even as market trends shift and evolve. One of Alpha AI's standout features is its ability to predict when momentum in a stock will increase in the near term. This predictive quality allows traders to anticipate changes, thus gaining an advantage over traders using traditional tools. The signals generated by Alpha AI are not arbitrary. They're based on a comprehensive understanding of market dynamics, making them reliable indicators for stock traders. But that's not all. Alpha AI is not limited to just stocks. It's versatile enough to be used for exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. This broadens the scope of Alpha AI's usability, making it a comprehensive tool for all kinds of traders. Whether it's a stock or an ETF, Alpha AI can generate signals to predict momentum changes. Moreover, Alpha AI is user-friendly. The signals are generated during market hours and typically last between 1 and 5 days, providing ample time for traders to act. And while it doesn't provide information on when a signal is no longer in effect, it does offer a reference price for the stock when the signal was generated. This allows traders to have a clear understanding of the market situation at the time of the signal. The Alpha AI advantage is clear. It's more than just a tool. It's a comprehensive trading companion. It's designed to be adaptable, versatile, and above all, reliable. It's built to ensure that traders are equipped with the most accurate, up-to-date information, allowing them to make informed decisions and stay ahead of the game. Alpha AI is not just smart, it's adaptable, versatile, and above all, reliable. What does the future hold for stock trading with Alpha AI? Let's gaze into the crystal ball of the stock market. The future of trading as we see it is being shaped by the continuous learning and adaptation of Alpha AI. As the market evolves, so does Alpha AI. It's like a seasoned trader who never stops learning. always adapting to the tides of the market and constantly honing its skills. Imagine a tool that grows with the market, understanding its nuances, learning from its patterns, and predicting its movements. That's what Alpha AI is all about. It's not just a tool, it's a trading companion that's getting smarter with every tick of the stock market. Every day, Alpha AI generates signals, predicting when a stock's momentum will increase. It's like having a personal advisor who's always on the lookout for your next big opportunity. And it doesn't stop there. The number of signals generated varies depending on market conditions, making it a dynamic, responsive tool. In essence, Alpha AI is a predictive algorithm that's constantly evolving, constantly learning, and constantly adapting to the market's rhythm. It's not just about predicting the future, it's about shaping it. With Alpha AI, the future of stock trading is not just promising, it's here. Ready to step into the future of stock trading? Picture this. You armed with a tool that can predict momentum shifts in stocks, generating signals during market hours that could last 1 to 5 days. That's the power of Alpha AI. But it's more than just a predictive algorithm. It's a revolution in the way we trade. It's about embracing the future, leveraging cutting-edge technology to level the playing field. With Alpha AI, you're not just reacting to market conditions, you're anticipating them. And the best part? Alpha AI is constantly learning, constantly adapting. It's in beta, which means it's only going to get better, more accurate, more reliable. So why wait? Why watch from the sidelines when you can be a part of this revolution? Staying updated with the latest enhancements of Alpha AI could be the game changer in your trading strategies. Don't just watch the revolution, be a part of it. Subscribe to our channel to stay ahead with Alpha AI.